What's going on, everybody? My name is Tango and I am with Alex. On our last video, we went out and we took pictures of this FUDOG and we converted it to an outline. Right now, we're gonna draw in the background and turn it to a half sleeve first, and then we'll draw the female FUDOG and we'll extend it to a full sleeve. So let's get started. Let's border out this for a half sleeve.
So what's a common background for FUDOG?
I would say some clouds.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put some flames in for sure.
Okay.
So this is blank right now. It's just a FUDOG by itself. Now I'm gonna add flames. I'm gonna add maybe water waves, some water waves, and some clouds. As for flower, what should we do?
I feel like we've been doing cherry blossoms, or I've been seeing a lot of cherry blossoms, so let's
Want to do maple leaves, something small and
quick?
quick?
Let's do maple leaves.
I'm just drawing in the border right now, so that's, the border is...
That's like this part.
Yeah, just letting you know where you work. I'm drawing the waves. Sometimes you just sketch it out, you know? You don't have to go straight to drawing like when you do stuff. Just sketch it out. Something like that for the upper arm. Just keep it simple. All right, let me lower this opacity down to a different layer. I do like the cloud going right here. Maybe I want to show this claw, but more this claw gone. If you want to move this cloud up, what do? You move this point up. You know what I mean? Maybe have it go over this claw a little bit. This is still another layer to lay on top. This piece is a little bit more complex. For the maple leaf, it's similar to cherry blossoms. You still start off with the middle. So like this, draw the middle. Then from this point, you do one point up, then pull back. See, look like a leaf? It comes back to the middle. And from here, you do another one. Next to it. Here's another one. And a smaller one next to it. See that? Here's another one. Touching, make sure they all touch. And then two small ones. And then the stem. Fairly simple, right? Look at that. Look pretty good, huh? Let me dim down the FUDOG a little bit so you can see me draw the waves on top. Sometimes you can just do waves one side, maybe just a few. You don't have to go like wave. But for koi fish, you can go wave everywhere. But with the FUDOG, a little bit towards the lower area. I don't really put waves towards the top of the head. I'm thinking if I should even pull this to make into the cloud. I think sometimes it's just have a negative that goes all the way through. That's it. And then from here, you can start a new one. Here's the lesson for maple leaves again, okay? A circle in the middle. From the then point here, where you want to send this big leaf, the first big leaf, right that way. So this one is a maple leaf right here too, but I'm only gonna show half. So you can still do a circle. And then one this way, pull it back. One this way, pull it back. One this way. And that the other side's hidden away. Make sure it touches the middle. That's how it folds out evenly. And maybe this one kind of like going down, you don't like it, go up this way. See? Just draw right over it. Because I'm making another layer right now to finalize it. See how it's the sketch already? See that circle? The petals? So just have one middle one, go up, and from here you pull down. See, now I make textures to the leaf, like little. Right there, you see that? Right here, right in the middle, straight out. You can pull like this. So with this third layer that I just did, it's the final layer. So I'm now slowing down, being a little bit extra careful. Because I don't want to make another layer. So I'm going to try to make this the final layer. When you pull lines like this, it's no longer about this. It's about moving your whole, get it? So look at my arm. I just hold it there and I just pull my arm back. So it's not about hand stroke no more, it's the whole arm we gotta pull back to get these lines. All right, here comes another maple leaf, bro. So this is your lesson right now. I'm actually gonna send this petal behind the FUDOG instead of over. So this one's fairly easy. Look, you make a middle line. Look, right here, so you know kind of like where you want your leaf. Start out and go here. The middle lines kind of just help guiding you with where to go back. You able to practice this now without me showing you?
Yeah, the maple leaf, yeah.
Not too bad, right? So what's wrong with this maple leaf right here?
What's wrong with it?
Look at it real quick. These two petals are usually the same. They kind of mirror each other. If you cut this in half, it's a mirror of the leaf. So this is a long leaf. This one should be the same. I don't know if you can see it, but I just drew in the background already with the FUDOG, kind of lowered it in its opacity. So now I'm gonna erase some stuff and turn this to a whole piece right now. All right, so let me ask you a few questions.
Okay.
When am I gonna erase?
In between here.
Okay.
All the stuff that's over the waves.
Everything that's inside the waves?
Yeah.
Let's backtrack real quick.
What happened?
I did not duplicate the layer of the FUDOG.
Oh.
So let's backtrack, make another layer, then erase it out. Okay, so now duplicate, remove it, then we can erase. Because if we start erasing, we wiped out the whole picture.
Yeah. Okay.
So back at it again. Alright, trick question.
The bottom of that.
Alright, good job.
Been doing it all day, bro.
It's good, man. You need to learn all these rules, bro. So this is tricky right here. This cloud, see how it went over it? Same thing the cloud always has. Remember, if you shade the middle, so get rid of this. Kind of get rid of all that. You don't want to get rid of this too, and this. Like that. It's fine, because you're going to shade over the leg. Anything else?
Let's see. This ball part?
The back side?
Yeah. And What about up here?
Yeah, I guess. What I'm gonna do next for this is I'm probably gonna take this picture home tonight and I'm shade it in so you see what I would do with this shaded. We'll turn it for a sketch. Maybe even a shirt, huh?
Oh yeah, sure.
Turn this
on the back.
Just do a quick shade just so I can show it an example, but maybe a rough sketch. I've been kind of like liking the rough sketch and then turning it to a sleeve up shirt or something. But here it is. This is the first design to our what do we name this quest that we got on? Our quest is pretty much we're gonna go out to different areas. Like say I got this FUDOG. We found the FUDOG at Line Plaza, this big old stone statue, and we took pictures of it and we converted to the outline for tattoo, and now we put in background. So our journey for us is I've been telling Alex like we should go to parks, like say maybe a Japanese garden, so you get like a bunch of Japanese influences, like the sleeve style. Like we can go to an anime store. What do you guys think about an anime store? Like Dragon Ball, creating a Dragon Ball sleeve, creating a Naruto sleeve. I don't know too much about animes.
Me either.
I just want to go there, get super influenced, snap pictures of it, and recreate it and turn it to sleeves. So that's our goal. Imagine like say if I went into Buddhist temple and I took a bunch of nice Buddha pictures and stuff like that, and that'll be like a Buddhist influenced sleeve. So that's pretty cool. So that's our goal, that we're gonna be fun going out, using our camera, take good pictures of it, and just convert it to tattoo style sleeves.
We just need a name for it.
We don't know.
We'll work on it though.
We don't know what to do. I was like, hey, let's go do this. I think it'll be good content, blah, blah, blah. And they're like, trying to explain it, it makes it so hard. We're like, what are we doing? Like, how do we like start this? When we take the picture, I will create a piece for myself, and then I'm gonna help Alex create a piece for himself too. When you're new to tattoo, I think it's better off to start off as just taking reference that you see and learning how to recreate it and add your style on top is very important. That's how you learn the FUDOG, because you're taking a picture of the statue. And I would explain what to do and all that stuff, but for you, it's just pretty much trace what you see. If you're new, just start tracing what you see and do another layer over and just make small changes. Maybe you want the eye a little bit more aggressive, so you make it more meaner, and just slowly change from the actual reference. That's like, you know, I see some people that took a terrible reference and just made it more terrible. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes it's better just to go from, like, say, take a picture of any of this stuff and recreate it to the art itself. And that's I can show you guys how to do that. It's simple, it's easy. I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's, you know, if you see me do it enough, you understand what I gotta do. Tonight I'm probably gonna do a screen record.
We'll throw it in this video too?
And I will maybe throw it in this video, I don't know. If you guys don't see it in this video, it's the next video, so stay tuned. If you guys made it to the end of the video, if you guys enjoy it, please like and subscribe if you haven't. And
we'll see you guys next time.
We got a lot of videos together, so.
Hell yeah.
Here's Tango working his magic and shading this entire piece of work. I've been doing a little bit of shading here and there myself. When we first started this journey, I was more concerned about the outlines, but I didn't realize that shading is going to be its own challenge in itself. When it comes to bringing a piece together and bringing it to life, shading is what does it. So you can have the best outline, but if the shading isn't right, the piece is not going to look complete. Basically for shading, we're using black, medium gray, and light gray, and you can see how Tango transitions it from dark to light in a very smooth manner. But huge shout out to Tango for all of the help. We usually film these videos after his long tattoo sessions, so he's a champ, man. Thank you so much, Tango. Let him know what you guys think about the piece. I'll see you guys for the next video. I'm out. Peace.